Good evening, viewers. Yeah, I will just teach you all how to make a mask stand that doesn't damage your ears. So you get a small, like from the bag, you can take a thing like this. You can just, this is a sling bag belt, like you can just make it, cut it from here. Okay. Then you can just make a small half round circle, like what I've done over here, like this piece. Then you can stitch two buttons from here, one here. Okay, this one, it goes back of the neck so that it holds like this, back of the neck. Then you can loop one end, like this is your mask. You can loop in from this side, one side, and this side, one side, so that this one will be resting at your neck at the back, so that it doesn't damage your ears. And I think that should do a very good job, that you all don't damage your ears again. Thank you for watching. Try it.